We've got a couple of new bits for the van. Let's get them fitted. Now, we'll start with that box over the back there, because that's the one I'm most excited with. From the back of the van, that is what the back of the Connect looks like. However, the new ones kind of look like this. That means there's something a little bit different, and I couldn't put my finger on it until I did a bit of Googling. You see the lights, this top plastic piece, that's coming off and getting replaced with some new lights. We're going to be dropping them on first. They're dead simple to put on. Let's shut the box. Yeet. It's a mess in here because we've just come back off a hike. I got these delivered to Danielle's house so that I could basically, I knew I was coming to see her today because we're celebrating something. So we went out for a lovely little hike this morning up onto Rivington Pike and come back, and we've got these, so I may as well show you what's in there and the stupid drunken order that I got from there. One of these annoying little T50 bolts. We've got a bolt up there and a bolt down there on both sides, and the black ones should come off. You can see them, one there and one over there. Do it the quick way. So that, you can see, just big ass holes. There where the pins go in, there where the screws go in. On both sides is exactly the same. Then, should we put the lights on, make it look a bit more modern? There you go. Look at that. How cool is that? They're just reflectors, they're not actual lights, but they do look the part, and they proper go as well. I was a bit worried that the older ones would like stick out from the newer ones. How cool does that look? We need the darkness for this one. It's 20 past 11, and this is our next item. This is just something I drunkenly ordered off Amazon one night. I didn't even know I'd order it until it come, and I thought, what's that? And I had a look at it, and it's supposed to be a starlight thing, I don't know. It's got a USB port, it goes in there. There's no on-off switch or anything, it just goes in, if I can find the right way of doing it in, and then, let me turn the main light off. It adds a starlight to the ceiling of the van. I mean, yeah, I can get the vibe of it and stuff, but let's turn it around. There you go. That's the ceiling of the van. I mean, get this, it's on the chairs, it's on the overhead stuff. That is now the inside of the van. Oh, wait there. Poof, there we go. Really goddamn cheesy. I'll probably never ever use it. It was a waste of money. It was just there. The next thing I ordered was the most expensive thing I ordered. It cost me £380. So what is this? Some of you may know that logo just there. DJI. Ooh, it's a drone. If you don't know, I crashed my old one because I'm a douchebag. Quite simply, that's the case. So I invested in the original drone that I wanted to get in the first place, the DJI Mini 2. The joy with this one is, can you see the gimbal just at the front there? It means I can get buttery smooth footage just like this. I know this is not anything for the van, this is more for creating the content for you guys to enjoy. And to be fair, I should have bought this one in the first place. I was toying up the option of buying this one in the first place. This is sort of like the upmarket version and the way on the top end of the scale for what I wanted to spend, but the channel's doing quite well thanks to you guys, so we've been able to afford it, and we're going to be able to get you some more buttery smooth, absolutely amazing footage, again, just like this. You know the case with Indiana Jones, we like to do things on a budget. £380 sounds like an absolute fortune, a lot of money. However, this was actually a bargain. Why? Because we got it second hand, quite frankly. We ended up with 5 batteries, so it's the DJI Mini 2 with the Fly More combo, plus an additional Fly More combo and another controller. Basically, the way I got this, the bloke was flying his drone up in Scotland, he lost signal, the drone and a battery went plop in the water. So he was left with 2 batteries and a controller, but he really wanted to get the drone again, so he went out and bought the whole Fly More combo again, another 3 batteries, the drone, the controller. So we've just ended up with all of that. He flew it a few times, weren't massively interested in it. How am I going to stop this lot from getting nicked? Because it's a lot. 1, we've put our tags on it. Number 2, if you have a look on all the batteries, we've drew little pictures on them. That's the eggplant emoji. Check out this next one. We've got little things on all of them. That's the poo emoji. Because why not? This one, we've got a love heart, and we've got a battery in the drone as we speak right now, and we've got one on charge in the back. This one is a pussycat. And the joy with this, I can even use this as a power bank when I'm climbing up the mountains, just to help charge everything. I know I've spoken more about this than the rest of the stuff, but I really am really into this. I love getting that really nice footage and telling the story over to you guys. Why not subscribe for more van life adventurous sort of content? Because that's what we do. Peace out, guys.